Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text alignment in Google Docs table. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with table and text. Now I change this text alignment in this table. At first, you have to select this all text to drag on your mouse. Now you can see here are align option. Press this align drop down menu. Now you can see here are left align. This text also already in left alignment. Now I choose center align. Again you choose right align or justify align, what you want. Now I choose center align. Just press it. Now click outside the table. Now you can see I change text alignment in Google Docs table very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.